Hey guys, we are back with another episode, and today I just messed up the intro.
Fourth video this day.
We're gonna play Animal Jam. Oh, the carnival's here. I already played this one. Played it. My brother is the best at this. 2001.
No, 2001.
2001. But that still says 21. Look,
21. 21, 25.
Look. Ooh. Bazinga! Oh my god, I almost got 300 isn't as hard.
Yeah.
No touch, no. Woo! 200. Woo! Ooh. Oh. I'm really sucky at this, aren't I? This one's gonna be easy. The time I don't need it. How am I gonna get that? Nope. Donker Phantom. I don't want a crisp. Oh my god, this is hard. Hit him! He's the target! There you go. No, I'm not. I just got 5,000 tickets. Let's see how much. Whoa! Now let's find some more games. Candy Catch, Beyblade, Whack-A-Phantom. If you're wondering what phantoms are, they're evil in this. Nope. Oh yeah, Ty does look like a famous footballer. Nope. Andy Flosses later. Yay, Bounty Castle! And I'm the only one in it. Fuck! Woo! I just went in a Bounty Castle.
Yeah, my hairstyle looks like Neymar now.
Hi, Neymar. Dolphin. Tired. Stop being weird for me.
You are scary. Okay, I'm gonna be watching YouTube.
And what? What, you can watch the video?
Oh, you are, isn't I? You so. I'm gonna be watching next one.
Woo! video is going to be torture, isn't it? That was great. Really great. What color? Blue. Done. Yummy.
So I'm gonna be watching wrestling in a moment. AJ Styles first. X Division Championship.
Shut up.
2002. AJ Styles versus G versus Loki versus Sideshock.
No. Done. Carnival darts. Wait, I just realised that I hate this game. Get away from me. Who are you trying to call? No. Yes. No. Oh wait, I have no dots. Oh yes, that's amazing. What's the news? New carnival.
This is fucking bullshit.
Yeah. And fear it.
What is it?
Aww.
Fourth video this today. Just to no. Just to no.
Ooh. Let's see if there's any parties that we can go to. Oh no, I don't want. Spooky party. Might do that later. What's this? Oh, that's what the difference. And it's one of these. Okay. I already. No. Is there anything? I already bought the Pizza Hut, and where is it? Let's visit somewhere. Drama. Oh, let's go play some games. Oh, yeah. I just love this stress. I have a problem with this game.
Dress competition.
Yeah. It's just so fun.
Play as long as you want because you know, I got my own tactic. Even though Screencast-Matic is only 15 minutes long, you can still have
more.
by just going to the video file.
Now that is awesome. Which one fits me? This red one or this rare one? Red better. And then it looks strange. DJ set. I'm a lovely bunny that can kill. It's true, I am the devil.
I'm the devil.
Wolf loves the red nose bunny. Has a very shiny nose, but all the Animal Jam people laughed at him and ran away. Nah, I'm not gonna blow it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm a death angel. Why am I a death angel? Give me some things. Oh, it is.
Huh? Hey!
Oh my god.
Which one is it? Oh.
Oh, yum.
Well, it's the egg.
Thanks.
The chili one. Okay, that's good.
Is this chili?
Oh, yeah. Well, this is for dinner. A sandwich.
Why are we having a cake for breakfast and a sandwich for afternoon?
No.
Oh yes, I'm first!
Oh, fuck no!
Oh fuck yeah! Oh my god, I got two votes. Oh hell yeah! And I just got an achievement in a video. Wait, am I even dressed up for work? When I go to work, I wear a unicorn horn neck. Oh yes, I wear a tie for. I also have a bow and arrow. It's true. Actually, it's not true. I'm just doing this. Yes, I can do this. Actually, seafood parties. These. Oh, so close. Let me just have some of my food.
Oh, no, I'm not going to continue.
Yeah, you're gonna learn education. You're gonna learn education.
Shut up. Not the video, Sarah.
Come on, your friends know anyway.
আমি তো হচ্ছে না রে
Get ready.
তুমি তো নষ্টই করে দে খাইলা না খাইলে বলে শালা পছন্দই হবে Well done, you are now in the video.
You are now in a video. Well done. Woo!
You are now in the video.
No, I don't want to.
Your voice.
No, no, off for it. No, no, no.
This is like 5.
Just edit it.
Look at that.
Wait, no, you can't.
इधर सुधीर का ना बात हो रहा है हमारा रिटायर है ना बात हो रही
Can I not make a video? Do, 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 do,
Let's
do,
work
do,
now Bangladesh
do, do.
Russia is a photo निकले आमो let's work
It's Olaf with a unicorn horn. I know that's his nose.
ওটা তো মনে হয় কিরে ওটা তো আমরা এটা কইতে হয় এটা তো ওটা তো তারা করে করে মানে এটা
I'm just adding some music. Don't worry.
আলুর চাষ করলে তো কত কত আলু করলে তো কত পয়সা পাইল
Actually, no.
আলু খেত করলে
Just do it now.
হ্যাঁ
Spooky. I've never been to the spooky house party before because it's a new feature.
তোর তো না দেখা হচ্ছে না এটা তুই বাস করবে কুরবানির সময় লাভ হইব তো
I might make another video saying the spooky house.
হুম
They're gonna give me a carrot couch.
বাবা আমি যাই এটা নাই তো
Oh, hell yeah. Wait, how did that be? No. No. Orange. Yellow. Green. Let me choose 3 colors. Okay, I'll choose blue, pink, and this color here. Yes. Hot.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go see some pets. I think they'll cuten the place up. Too bad I'm not a member. What pet do you want? Any new other pet should there be?
Hmm?
Oh, lizard. There should be a lizard.
Bunny.
There's already a bunny pet.
How about a dragon?
That's gonna be cool. Raccoon. I don't find anything. Dragon. Yes. Okay, let's go to my place. Who will win, the evil phantoms or them? Nope, this is my bed. This is the little pet's place. Okay, now I need a carrot couch. I don't really think we need a couch anymore. A little couch. I got a video game next to my bed. I'm trying to concentrate.
Hello, Amira. Hello. Good girl you are. Good girl you are.
I should say in the video.
I know, right? She's woken up. Good girl. Don't cry.
She woke up. Oh, and she just did it now. And her first word was "mummy" today.
She's really cute. And apparently she looks like me, from what everyone else says.
I don't know how though. Is the parties here yet? Yeah. I want to go to the bounce house party now.
There was gonna be a bounce. There was gonna be a bounce castle, but you know it was raining, like fucking usual. Hello, Amira, you motherfucker. Hello, Amira.
I am not recycling with bunny here. Yeah. Tick tickets. I am not saying mommy. I am not gonna say mommy anymore.
My first word in 3 months. Which also means mummy. Bobby Beach.
We are not buying you boots.
Oh yeah, Bobby Beach.
Candle hat, mohawk, chef's hat, musketeer.
Look at her.
Let's go. Do 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 do. Wait, I'm still. I need water. What do I do? Hi. Then I spell video. I'm making a video. Eat. Ugh. So chilly. Woo! Yes! Woo! Oh, this is amazing. Hey Ty, would you take over for a second? I need to go eat.
No, you do
You
it.
take over.
Take over what? What do I do?
Do whatever you want. Go to the carnival. Play
Okay.
games.
Okay. Hey guys, Tom back.
Taking
So
over.
anyway,
Yum, yum, yum. Sandwich in my tummy.
where is the bounce? Where is the bounce party?
Over there.
What? I mean, not the bounce house. I want to go to the
Carnival.
yeah. Oh, that makes fucking sense now. Crap. I'm recording to YouTube as well. To
I'm on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. Like tube.
Okay.
Right. No,
What?
I'm recording too. That's right. I'm recording.
As well. Okay, now where should we go first? Oh, fuck off, everyone.
We need to be here more than you.
Phantom Mobile.
Oh, you're amazing at this.
Yep.
I didn't beat school. I only beat you by 1 today. So,
No, you didn't.
just joking.
Fuck.
That's how amazing he is.
My Uranus.
Do full. I want to get in there.
Oh yeah, full.
I want to get in the 25.
Get the fucking ball. How did I miss that?
I have no idea, probably because you're an idiot. Play again for 5 gems. Do you want to eat my thingy? My omelette?
Crap, why am I doing it like so weak? Oh, baby, a triple!
Why are you saying it was so weak? You jinxed it. It wasn't weak.
Fuck, it was weak, you son of a bitch. Okay, looks like I'm not that good at it now.
On video.
Yeah, on video. I'm too shy. Too shy. Okay. Ah. No.
Amira's so cute.
Amira's so cute.
Why do they want to eat it so bad? Maybe they were playing rock, paper, scissors. Oh, yes. Cousin. I wonder how many minutes this video is.
Oh! Fuck off!
It's gonna make the word phantom. Get that O because then it will make the word.
Off! No, I need A.
Yeah, you got it. All you need is O. Sir.
Oh!
That's why I just realised now you're meant to make the word. Uh-oh, Sammy.
Fuck.
You know how much I hate.
Oh! Fuck it!
Oh, you're filling up the screen. Thanks a lot. Wait, please don't get to the yes button. You make the word phantom.
How did I miss that?
Thanks a lot.
Actually, I shouldn't be doing that.
You should make your own Animal Jam account. Seriously.
Fuck off!
Make your own Animal Jam account. Then you'll see why I like it so much. Oh, phew.
Just fuck off!
He has no bullets left, except that one.
I should have done. For fuck's sake. I'm probably never gonna beat my score anyway. Oh, fuck! I really need to piss off these things.
Do you love the fair?
Fuck off!
Oh, you just made me cry.
God.
Fuck off! Oh my god! This,
Stop swearing!
I can't!
Well, get me duct tape.
Give me duct tape. Give me duct tape. Fuck up in me, but fuck up.
Well, that's confusing. You give me something, and then I lock you up with it.
Oh my god! Oh, piss off, Amira.
Who told you to cry? Who told you to cry? Don't your favourite toy here? Your friend's here. lullaby. Wait, where did I learn that from? Sweaty bread.
Yes. That's impossible.
You only have 1 bullet left. You could have hit that bullet on the bullet.
Oh my god, I had an extra one left.
Hacker.
Why did I accidentally click on that? I can't miss a single shot.
Just piss off.
I just can't miss a single shot.
Health bar.
There's a health bar.
Nope. Don't make me put my finger in your mouth like you did off camera. Good. Nope. Who's this?
I can't. I never clicked that. Okay, this is the last one, and then we ended the video.
Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and
Nah. This is the last one. How do I do that?
Fucking nigga, fucking. You're talking about a week ago. About a week ago.
No, shut up,
week
Saba.
ago. You fucking nigga. About a week ago. Fucking nigga. About a week ago. It stuck in my head after you showed me it.
Back off.
Like, no.
No, no.
Goodbye.
Control 0. No, I don't want to go on eBay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, you chicken.
Yes. Okay, like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.